Okay, dokie. Welcome everyone. Got this ready now. There we go. There we go. Good morning everyone. Welcome. I think I've got this on over here. Yeah. Okay. Wicked. There we go. Yeah, welcome everyone to Tuesday the 8th. And let's get into this over here in a second. Just gonna have a little coffee and chill a little bit. But looks like at 5:45 area, nice support forming on GJ was good. It's pretty nice. And at 6 o'clock we gotta push up. That isn't too bad at all. Good morning everyone. Yeah, so let's take a look at the update of OBS. So yeah, we've taken 2 trades this month on stream. Yesterday I actually took a third one, but it wasn't on stream, so it doesn't count. But that was another win as well. So three wins through London, which is good. Good to see. Let's go and mark our charts up though. Let's take a look over here. So daily timer is bullish. The last one actually closed bearish, which is interesting. Closed bearish, exceeded the low. The kind of wick to the downside showed a bit of support forming, I think, on the 4 hour especially. Yeah, 4 hour very much so. Price came down, tapped a certain level, and retraced off it, which is nice. Now take a look at the hourly time frame over here. We've had a really strong hourly candle. If this does continue and flip and exceed the high, it could potentially come to this level, which is reasonable because if you look at how far it is, yeah, 20 pips, that's not bad. Take a look on the 4 hour, that looks pretty reasonable, doesn't it? So pretty reasonable. So buys are looking more in favor right now. Take a look what the lower time frames are doing. Let me just mark this up a bit higher. Yes, that's on the 15. Yeah, beautiful. So taking a look at the lower time frames, the best close in the 15. Yeah, you have to wait for maybe this next 30 minutes to sort itself out. Especially this last 30-minute close in doji like that, with a big wick to the downside. It's not the best. But yeah, take a look to the 15. You can start to see support and resistances right here. So the support right now is held at 155.999 pretty much, and there is a little bit of a resistance. It is holding at 156.238. Good morning everyone. Yeah, right. Let me just get this up as well. So yeah, I think to potentially continue, we do want buys above this potential region. I think that'll look pretty nice. I think that'll look nice. 156.242. Let's just increase this there. Beautiful. Yeah, I think that'll be reasonable, to be honest, to close above that area and then continue to fill this whole range up. Little minor resistances like at 10 pips, but that's okay. I think the zones are not too bad for that. But yeah, we've got to wait at the moment. It looks like price is rejecting the area, so we've got to chill. The 30 minutes still open. We've got 4 minutes left, and the hourly still got 34 minutes left. So if this hourly starts flipping and exceeding, then it should be good to continue, really. It's just having a bit of an hourly pullback. For potential sells, where would I want sells? So you got to think to yourself, would you want to take sells below 156? And I mean, the zone to the next support here is 18 pips. I mean, it could be reasonable if you get a nice strong candle, but I'd rather have sells below the daily flip. And that's when price was a bit rangy yesterday. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe potentially below the support, but I'd rather have buys above here, I think. Let's take a look at gold. Mate, cryptos are going wild. I just saw it this morning. I was like, yes. Oh, mate, they're pumping. You know, pump it up. Right, my XRP is fucking flying to like 20%. Yes. Okay, so let's take a look at gold here. So the daily is bearish. 4 hours bearish. Okay, so it looks like price was yesterday was pretty bullish, but now it's starting to have a little more of a relax, which is fair enough. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so daily and 4 hour are very, very similar in terms of where they are. Let me just make these a bit bigger over here. There we go. Same as the daily. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so yesterday there was some really, really good gold moves that we talked about in NY with the gang. Don't you think it's liquidity taken out buyers who broke the highs to continue up later on? Is this on GJ? Yep, potentially. Just hitting a potential zone. 156,250 is a psychological level as well, so it's a quarter point. So yeah, we'll see. So taking a look at gold as a whole, you know, we broke above this level 1813 to come to 1816, which now could act as a support right here. And then we came and we hit 1822, which is exactly what I thought we would do. It actually happened later on in the day though, so kind of hard to catch that. I don't know, it happened, yeah, 4 o'clock, kind of rough for that. But yeah, I think the most part for gold is it's still very, very bullish, just having a bit of a relax over here. Let's take a look at FOREX Factory just in case there's any news. No, there's nothing today. Nothing much tomorrow. Thursday, there's core PPI, and Friday some GBP news, but not too bad actually this week, which is nice to see. So for me, I mean, sales are probably not on the play just because this daily candle previous was very, very bullish. It's just making the lower wick. I'd rather get the drive later on. So that is what I'll be doing. But yeah, people who didn't see on my Instagram, we took sells yesterday here, which are nice. They ran like 30 pips or so. Actually ran 54 pips, but yeah, bloody gorgeous that was. I saw some people tagging me and they got in there for the sells. I was like, damn. So 30 minutes left for this hourly, which is nice. I still think you know, this pullback over here is pretty decent. How far would that be? Yeah, 15 pips. Ain't too bad. Nah, I don't know if Dr. Dollar's coming on, to be fair. He hasn't messaged me. Maybe he may not be today. He may have forgot. We'll see anyway. I'll give him some time. If not, we'll chill. So yeah, looks pretty good for GJ later on. At the moment, not so much, but we'll see. Some nice retracement through Asian as well. So yeah, we'll see. Normally we see when there's an Asian push, normally we relax through our time. So we'll see. Yeah, let's take a look at, I'll do GU as well, because people like GU. Okay, ooh, wow, okay, so the last daily candle closed doji bullish, exceeding the low though, so kind of a mixed bag of results there, I'm not gonna lie. 4 hour over here has made a nice top wick, flipped and pushed a little bit. So you look at the hourly. Yeah, hourly's coming down, 30 minutes coming down. Let's take a look at the 15. So a little minor 15-minute support where it's at right now. Taking a look. Oh, you could take sells there. Let's take a look then. What would be the measurement? You could scrape 11 pips on there. Maybe a closure like that would be nice. Taking a look on the left hand side, where could you potentially continue down if you exceed this low? Well, it'll be this support here, and then furthermore it would be this support here. And there you go. There's your GU. For buys, you'd want GU buys potentially above all this area, like here. So there you go. Got a little range. Wait for closures below either this zone or this zone. It could be decent. And yeah, it looks pretty good. We'll see. We'll see. The hourly still hasn't exceeded the low of the previous set, so still reasonable on the hourly. Just the 30-minute here closed pretty bearish. Good morning, everyone on YouTube. Good morning. I had the worst sleep tonight. Holy crap. I had the worst dreams as well. It was nasty. Shit was nasty. Let me just do my Instagram, sorry. But yeah, I really do think if we do exceed, 156,242, we're going to be good. Let me just get these daily flips bigger. And there we go. If we take a look from Friday to this day, yesterday as well, like the volume, the momentum was a lot nicer than the past couple of weeks. So it's getting back to normal, which is nice to see. Just here. We are live on YouTube right now. Come check us out. Put the link right here. Just tap on the link and come join the fun. So yeah, let me just get this up there. I'm going to the Newcastle match tonight. Yes! Oh yes. Oh shit, I did not mean to do that. So yeah, I think still reasonable. For sells, you could take riskier ones down here. The reason why I say risky is because you don't have the daily with you, but I mean the actual candles in that area are pretty clean, so it could be okay, to be honest. Right. Put this on there. There we go. Beautiful. So yeah. Good morning. Will you please explain how you mark your charts, please? Yeah, so it's based on the 15-minute time frame to put where resistances are, because sometimes if you put your charts on the 30-minute time frames, you actually miss a 50-minute like resistance or support, which can be a bit of a pain. It's always just where the supports are, where the resistances are, and then the higher time frames guiding you and what you really want to see. So the 4 hours are looking pretty decent. As long as you come back above this area, the probability it continues back to these highs will be pretty high. So it's good. It's good to see that. Also, if you look at my Instagram last night, I talked about this whole 8 AM news. Where was it? Yeah. So, yeah, this 1 o'clock push, which is 8 AM Eastern candle. Yeah, mad. Look at the hourlies. If you look on the hourly at 8 AM, big push to the upside, but the 12, so the 7 AM Eastern candle relaxed over here. So try not to get caught in the 7 AM candle, because normally it's a bit shit. Do you know Dr. Dollar before you guys did the live stream together yesterday? Yeah. I've spoke to him a lot of times, a couple months now. Yeah. He should be on today actually, but it doesn't look like it. Maybe next couple of days, he maybe forgot. We'll see. But yeah. How do you confirm your entries? With closures, my man, with closures. So closing above certain zones, so something like this. I don't know. Closing above. Wait for the bottom wick. Boom. Yeah, closures. Sometimes I'll take impulses if it's reasonable, but most of the time I won't. To be honest, an impulse here before the hourly, maybe, but we'll see. Yesterday in NY, I got 50 pips with gold. Nice. Oh wow, you got it in 1810. That's pretty nice. I like GU. Do you like GU? GU has not closed anywhere below. Isn't that right? I'll put some of you guys on because I want to speak to you. There you go.
Fuck, morning, Maxie.
Morning. How you doing?
I have a bit of a sore throat this morning, you know, but we move, man.
Oh yeah, I went rock climbing yesterday. My fucking hands are killing me. Oh, shit is nasty. Let's take a look. So GU, are you wanting this closure though, Milan? Because there's nothing that I can see yet. Because the hourly hasn't closed below this level. 4 hour is bearish. Would you get in on the flip here, or would you wait for the closure? If GJ comes down now, this looks like a good fake out setup. Yeah, it looks actually like a closure back in the range for me with the 4 hour flipping, but this zone is too small. I mean, maybe if I get a closure like this, so if like 8 o'clock we get a closure like this, then I'm like, alright, well I've got the 4 hour with me, but not too much. Then if it makes a top wick and then flips exceeds the low, then I'd get in. So that's the only way. But for me, it's buys all day, man. I'm going to start writing buys because I think they're going to be pretty decent. So yeah, we shall see with this GJ. Let me just write it on over here, get it all set up ready for London. So 156.242. Just writing this shit down, guys. Sorry. And then 500 would be, and then it would be 750. Wicked. Where you go rock climbing? It's like an indoor thing in Newcastle. Pretty good. First time ever, but goddamn, I was not built for that. Because obviously I'm quite like a big lad. I'm not like meant for like fucking. I'm like 5'10", I'm like 85 kilograms, so I'm not small. So god damn, my arms are killing me after. People in there were like 6'2", but they were built like fucking sticks. So they could like literally launch themselves up. I was struggling. Yesterday I waited until 8 o'clock to execute a buy on gold. Went to 14 pips in profit and then got stopped out of break even. Shit happens. Yeah, that's what my students did actually as well. One of my students, Alex, tried that. And yeah, got into 14 pips and then hit break even. Didn't hit the target. Kills on risk next day, yeah. Someone goes, you're 85 kg, yeah. Probably nearly 90 to be honest. Good morning, mentor. What are your thoughts on gold? I think gold in the higher time frames for me is still very much bullish. This is just the low wick of the daily, so it can push as much as it wants down. But I'm not going to be looking for sells today. I'm waiting for supports to form to then ride it back up. So yeah, just waiting for some supports to form, potentially on gold. This is the thing, like with gold and like the higher timings, like the daily, I just stay on the daily. Like as in like look, the last daily close bullish. This one's making a little wick, hasn't exceeded the high yet, so it should flip and continue. Keep it on the higher time frames and like where it's going on gold, just so much easier for me. Ooh, rejecting them levels again, some 50-minute rejections. Interesting. You need a clean candle to win a trade. Yes. Didn't rate $. Stream yesterday. Charts aren't clean and a lot going on with the stream. Couldn't hear you on there neither properly. Yeah, I heard that. I think his Wi-Fi was lagging out really bad. Potential buyers on gold New York. Yep. That's what we're waiting for. So how could you have taken potential sells here? I mean, maybe a little bit lower. That was at 7 o'clock. Oh, 14 pips. That was pretty nice. Didn't really close below though. Oh, the 30-minute close bearish though. Yeah, well that top wick and exceeding the low there could have been a little trade there. 14 pips to this high, which is in the next zone as well. That would have been flipping the 4-hour and the daily as well. Pretty nice. Pretty nice.
I looked at that, Max. It just put me off how there was that little bit of resistance right there.
Yeah, let's take a look at the 5-minute, how it would have played out.
And then that next candle, I thought I'll see if it creates a bit of a top wick, and it just fucking ran off.
Yeah,
so
yeah. I think that was. I think. Let's take a look at the. If you got in there and these wicks, 5 pips, 6 pips, it might have been okay to be honest. What would the 30? So yeah, the 30 was nice. Because you could add your stops on the high of the 30, which is like 15 pips. Then look to the left, clean candles. Yeah, I think that would have been pretty nice. I think that would have been pretty reasonable. And like, with the 5-minute there, you wouldn't have had any drawdown really, apart from like maybe there. Then just glided down. I think that would have been quite a good option. Now it's pushed down quite a lot over here. I'm just waiting for it to relax a little bit and to ride it back up. Actually, gold sell candle flip was a very nice trade. Yes, must have played out well. So here we go. Look at the hourly now. Hourly's not exceeded the low of the previous. Beautiful. So we'll see. It's 15-minute close and bullish over here. Ooh, is it cheeky getting in a bit too early now? Is it? She could have stopped there. It actually ran off a bit too much there. It's ran like another 3 or 4 pips there. Look at this hourly now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Looking like a lot of momentum's coming in. 15 minutes left for this candle. So you got to think, do you want to wait for the hourly to close below? This is a very, very strong 15-minute candle, I'm not going to lie. Closing. Is Brian looking at getting in this early over here that plays? I'm already in. When did you get in? Oh, that's 15-minute, man. Dangerous. 30-minute over here coming. The hourly's gonna flip. Ah, fuck, man. I wish I'd got in a bit lower there, like 150. Stop loss below. You know, Mike knows speak. What do you think if the hourly flips and breaks the high? Yeah, it's just you got to think about your stops. You'll have like hourly stops, 20 pips for 20 pip gain potentially. Yeah. I'm probably gonna have to wait over here for this hourly to close, but it is looking pretty good to continue. Nice. I had a buy stop 110, was just in 6 pip drawdown. Oh, like just here? And stop loss below. Yeah, if you're going a bit lower here now, around this area, stop loss to break even really. You shouldn't want to come back down to your entry there. Yeah. And that should be reasonable. This buy into the area 242 is the dirtiest 4-hour rejection I've ever seen. Yeah, but should still fill it up, to be honest. Sup Max, waited yesterday for you. You okay? Yeah, I was on Dr. Dollar stream yesterday. That's why I didn't do this one. Mate, you need to follow me on Instagram. Everyone who follows me just on YouTube, you gotta follow me on Instagram because I talk about like what I'm doing and shit. That range on the left in GJ quite worries me, to be honest. Although London Opens recently usually fuck people in the ass with fake outs all the time. Yeah, I'm gonna be patient. I think it's still to come to these highs, to be honest, because the 4 hours are looking nice. But I will just wait for this closure in 12 minutes. Wait for a low wick and then enter. And if you get in like here, just in this zone, you know, I don't think you should be losing this trade now. That would be kind of mad. Just took a 10 pip win on USD CAD, pretty much done for London today. Nice. Nice. There we go. Let's take a look and see if gold can close a big bit above that zone over here. 1816. Why do you sometimes reduce risk by 50% off and other times you move full stop to previous candle high or low? Depending on the circumstance. The probabilities of it working out. Like yesterday I'd said we were in this trade here, and I said that when price was coming to this area, I said close 50% at this high because it shouldn't come and exceed its own high now when it's there. So it's just a way of managing risk. And then if this candle closes, then obviously or pushes further, then I'm just going to put it to break even. If this candle pushes and hasn't hit 10 pips yet, then you know, move your stop to the previous or whatever. It's just a way of managing your trade. All reasonable. Easy.
You're not taking gold, Max, huh?
For what?
For sell, of course.
I think it's gonna fake out.
Yeah.
Come back up.
I don't trust the sells. I think the sells were there. I think this level here is a big level for support to form. And because I think that the daily and the 4 hour is bullish as a whole, I just know that I'll get faked out probably, so hell no. This is the clean area as well. This is not. You look to the left. Yeah, that was the clean area, so it's done the move that in that little area.
I'm just curious, where's Dr. Dollar today?
I don't fuck away from you.
I have no idea.
I'm just being curious.
I don't know. I messaged him and said I'm starting in 20 minutes and he just hasn't replied. I think he's with Daniel.
Okay.
But yeah. So 9 minutes left for this closure and we shall see. Oh, look at gold over here. Just have a little bit of a problem there. 10 minutes to walk.
My favorite story of the weekend.
So 10 minutes left before London Open. Hopefully we get some nice volume there to ride us up again. So let me just say to people on the Signals channel that time frames have to go in one direction. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. So now, if this candle closes back in the zone, then it is really respecting this resistance. And you gotta wait for the closure. Oh, thank you very much, Happy Brother, for subscribing to the channel. Make sure to subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram. I post in there all day, every day. That little breakdown of GJ a couple days ago was doing really, really well. Yeah, this one, 659. Sheesh. That's good stuff. I like. 8 minutes left for this hourly. So then you got to think, you know, are you going to wait for the hourly to close? For me, I am going to wait for the hourly to close. But I do know that sometimes price may run off without me, but that's fine. Because that's part of the game. That's a part of the game. Yeah, 110 people in here. Make sure to like the stream, man. Just smash that like button. Helps me out a ton. And yeah, I'm gonna hopefully post the little vlog thing today. Hopefully. Which will be nice. Let me just try this over here. Yeah, that $7. Nice. 1 second, guys. I'm looking at something. Oh, there. Interesting. Yeah. So 6 minutes left. We'll see. We'll see. Take a look on the big scale of things. You know, we are looking like we are going to come and continue up. So.
Hey Max, what's your break even for GG? Because that zone on the left is so choppy, you know. And then candle to the left.
It's actually it's okay. I mean, you know, it'd be right around this level, which is 10 pips. You know, probably to that wick here. That'd probably be where I'd want to break even. Every single candle that's came up is at least past that zone. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna close 100% on 10 pips.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. That's fair. Reasonable. 5 minutes left. Don't run off without us, GJ. Just relax over here. 114 people in the YouTube. Yes, everyone's getting ready for the 8 o'clock. Let's get it. But yeah, so this is what I'm picturing. This is what I'm picturing I want to happen, right? Do you have a buy stop, Max? No, not yet. I want this closure. On the lower wick, and then I want to enter here. Stop loss there. Especially with buys, that's literally what I want to see, because sometimes it can be a pain. We've seen a lot of fake outs on buys recently, so yeah, we gotta chill out. And if it doesn't get the closure above, then it's still respecting the resistance over here. And the hourly will be closing bearish. That'll be interesting. 120 people on. Yes, let's get it, guys. But yeah, 30 minutes is going to be closing pretty strongly bullish, but nothing above, so you gotta chill out. Gotta chill. I think my next Magic Keys giveaways is going to be about Instagram followers. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, from today, in a week's time, I'm going to look at all of my followers and pick a follower who's just followed. So make sure to go on my Instagram. The Instagram link is here. If you follow from now on today, you can be entered in a Magic Keys giveaway. So yeah, make sure to do that. I want to get to 10k followers on Instagram, man. It's the goal. 10k just looks so much nicer than like fucking 5k. Oof. So much nicer. Then after 10k, I don't really give a shit. So 3 minutes left. Does it look like it's going to get a closure above? Nope. So got to be careful. Got to stay disciplined, you know. Just like what happened yesterday. Don't be trying to get in impulses because you're going to get burnt. This is what happened yesterday. Rejected again. Man, taking that sell there, maybe exceeding the low. That was mad. Why is my Instagram not came up? Maybe I didn't have it. Oh, it's because I did it wrong. Fuck's sake. Instagram. Is that it? If not, I should be somewhere. There you go. There's the Instagram link, guys. People who need it. So 2 minutes left, not closing above. Oof. Gold over here doing exactly what I thought, which is making some support. You know, if you've missed the move here, the gold move, you've missed the move. Okay, try not to get in too late. Bit of FOMO on gold can hit you pretty hard. That was the clean candle. That was the move. Rinse and repeat. What about our guest today? Yes, he is not replying. So my guy's busy with some other people, I think. We'll do it a different time. We'll do it a different time. So yeah, we'll see this next 15-minute candle, what it does over here. But yeah, this hourly's closing bearish, so not the best. I'm only worried that in GJ there is not enough pips until next resistance, D1 resistance. No, actually, when we get in, it'll be actually exceeding the high of the previous daily, which is nice. And no, I think the zone for me is good enough. If you take a look to the 30-minute, if you get into buys above this region, you got 25, 26 pips to the high. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. So people who are getting in a bit lower over here, what are you doing, Brian? Are you just having it break even to see if it can just continue? You could be okay with that entry, to be honest. 110, pretty good. Nuclear pattern on major pairs by now. Yeah, so if you look at the closures now, so the 4 hours bullish, the daily's bullish, the hourly's closing bearish, but is rejecting the lows. The 30-minute over here is closing bullish, so yeah, it's just the hourly that's against you. Might be nailed. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, you might have actually got that over here. Oh yeah. Nice. Can candle structure forming on gold potentially be for buyback in the zone? Yeah, potentially. And that could be reasonable. Potentially. So yeah, 50-minute closing bearish as well. Oof. I do think buys later on gold will be nice. Tapping back in that zone that I pushed off with yesterday. It's reasonable, but that doesn't mean a change and like a massive sell-off. Like, you know, you got to chill out. The dailies here always approaching, always pushing higher. Should get to 1828 pretty soon, I think. For me, that would be pretty reasonable. So here we go. Hourly close. Let's take a look at the hourly. Hourly close bearish. So, you know, you gotta be careful in this instance, right? It isn't the best, is it? 30-minute did close bullish, but for me, I'm gonna have to wait for another 50-minute to close above. Okay. Be disciplined. Know what you want to see, and if it doesn't happen, just chill out. That's literally what we did yesterday. Through after Dr. Dollar stream over here, we just waited. We go right, it's closing below. Wicked. Wait for the top wicks. We've got the rejection. There you go. Let's get in on the flip. And Bob's your uncle. And that's all she wrote. 30 looks like it's making some support, which is good, but yeah, I do need the 15 to close above for me. I'd be looking reasonable. There we go. 30 minutes just closed. Doji rejecting the certain area over here on gold. Nice. Big strong candle actually. Hourly did close bearish though, so this could be making a top wick to then flip. So I wouldn't say buys yet. I'd probably wait a bit longer. The first 15-minute is the wick being created on the hourly high, right? Yeah, but yeah, for the most part, not all of them, but yeah. But at the moment here, you know, this could be the top wick to then drive down, so it's interesting to see. I will be probably interested in taking sells below this area, I think, if it does come to it. So yeah, just trading in this little range, gotta be cautious. I hope towards the end of this candle it gets a nice closure, not just run off now. That'll be a bit annoying. But what can you do? 140 people in YouTube over here and 46 in the Zoom. Wicked stuff. Nice to see everyone here. Let's take a look at setups over here. Flocky. Ooh, yes. Flocky's looking at, I think this is gold, isn't it? A potential buy back up. Yeah, it could be reasonable. My only issue is that the hourly's still open and it didn't close bullish. If it was an hourly bullish, then it'd be looking a lot nicer. But yeah, reasonable to be honest. So yeah. I like the 1 hour on GJ didn't exceed the low and it closed above 150. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. I am still a bit cautious though with this closing still bearish. Still bearish, not the best. Yeah, exactly. So if it's not the best setup at all, then I gotta chill out a little bit. I took a buy 1816 TP1 1818.5. Oh, nice. Complete retracement over here. So like at 19 pips stop. Up like 10 pips now. Probably stop us to break even at that area maybe, or we want to give it a bit more breathing room. First TP, yeah, it would be like 1819.345 it should come to. And if it closes back above and then continues bullish, then you're going to be good, I think. Nice, that worked beautifully. See, so I did think that these sells here were not going to be the nicest option today. So yeah. Oh, GJ coming up. Just chill out for 11 more minutes, please. Just chill out, please. 144 people in here, wicked stuff. So yeah, last book of Bobas tomorrow. Very excited about that. It's gonna be the last episode. I'm like, no, I want that shit on for longer, man. I had stop loss at 1815, now moved to 1816. Yeah, pretty reasonable. Pretty reasonable for that, to be honest. Should be good. So there you go. Always keep with your higher time frames with gold, you know. If the daily time frame's but bearish, is it bearish enough? Has it exceeded the low of the previous? Nope. So what's the structure as a whole? You know, it's bullish at the moment. So always try and keep with it. It just makes life a lot easier. New Kenobi series in May, yeah. Oh, there we go. Beautiful work. So I have to stop us to break even now, really. I think you're up quite a bit. Yeah, 16 pips should be stop loss to break even. Damn, that was nice. That was nice. Looks like GJ over here is just chilling about. Still a lot of time though, we'll see with this 15. And yeah. Let's take a look at XRP, because this shit has been running. Whoa, look at that. Look at that! That's a fucking absolute stinking move. Just thinking out loud. Shouldn't current candle on 50-minute gold be our confirmation the next one entry for buys? I think the only issue of getting in this area now is you've got this resistance there. So for me now, you got to wait. If you didn't get in there, you got to wait for closure back above. Then get the rejection, then flip back above, and then come into that zone like that. I think that'll be most reasonable. Unless you get in at the low of the support. If you're getting in the middle or like towards the high, like the resistance is too close. So yeah, resistance to it too close. Look at that daily, man. Yes. Straight back up, mate. It needs to do exactly the same as that, and then I will be cashing out. When did it do that? August. Yes. Are these daily candles? Yeah. Oh, they need one bearish daily. If I get two bearish dailies, I'm going to sell it all. I'm sick of crypto. Let's take a look if there's any more streamers on today. We got so many people in today, which is nice to see. Nice to see everyone here. Let's take a look if there's any more. There's really small amounts for London. Bloomberg Financial News always has loads on. Yeah, there's no one. No one. CPI coming, yes. Is that tomorrow? Or the day after? Yeah, Thursday. I thought XRP was a non-tradable due to set case. No, I think it is. I think it is. Yeah, shit's running off. Nice. I'm very happy with that. Yeah, my XRP is worth more than my Bitcoin now. It's just fucking flew past it. Jeez. So, wow, I mean, GJ rejected over here. Hi, Max. What do you think of 15-30 minute closures back into the range, rejecting the highs on GJ at 120 for sells to mirror the opportunity we missed yesterday? They're risky in a lot of range. Yeah, for me, it's a bit too risky on mine. I'd rather wait below 156, to be honest. That is where I'll look for. Yeah. Because of the fact that, you know, it's right on the 4-hour flip area, it would just be a bit scary. So yeah, gotta wait. Forget it was. That is true. Oh wow, beautiful work! Holy shit. Nice. People who took that gold, you're eating nicely now. That 30-minute doji here. Sheesh, didn't really give much of a lower wick, which is a bit annoying. So you've had to have just got on straight away, but I suppose you did have the 8 o'clock volume. It's not too bad. Do you know Nathan Trades? He's an Irish kid from Market Fluidity. Really cool guy and good trader as well. Nathan Trades. Let's take a look at Nathan Trades. Nathan Trade. This one? Wow. He's a stereotypical Instagram trader. Doesn't provide any value at all apart from showing off. Well, look at the difference. Eat. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. No bullshit here. I've got fucking Lambos and Ferraris coming out my ass, but I wouldn't do that because it's a dick move. Don't give people that shit. Give them some value, man. I hate looking at people's Instagram like that. It's like, oh, it's so painful. It's just a fucking marketing scheme. But his AMG has neons though. Man, them fucking AMG ones, especially if they're the new ones, are built by Peugeot, so... Wow, GE looks like dog water right now. Damn, that hourly time frame. Hell no. Yeah, man, you gotta provide the value. I'd hate that. Like, you know, like every so often, like, you know, like you see that I'll post like a little picture of me or something, like with like a nice fit on or something, but I wouldn't like properly go. I think doing it and like doing like a nice picture for Instagram is fair enough, but for me, you gotta provide value with it, man. You gotta provide value with it. Thank you very much for subscribing, Richard. Yes, make sure to subscribe, guys, if you are new here. We're here every single weekday. I've actually taken 3 London trades this month so far, and I've won every single one. So I want to update this 3 because I kind of did do the London one. So let me just update this. It's pretty much after the stream, but if I was on Dr. Dollars, so if I wasn't on Dr. Dollars, I would have taken it here. So I'm gonna count that. That's what I like to see, though. Beautiful start to the month. So yeah, you know, don't be trying to take these, you know, early sells as well. You know, it's just in a range, man. Yeah, either get in, know it with high confidence that you're gonna be driving up like here, or if you missed a boat, you just gotta wait for the closure above. So yeah, simplicity, price action. Yeah, the last one wasn't on stream. Yes, it was not. Ooh, 30 minute has made the lower wick now. Nice. 1 hour celery, potentially. Yeah. 15 is not going to close though in 2 minutes time, I don't think. So just chilling out, really. What are your confidences, Max? 4 hour daily bullish. What else? That's all you really need, to be honest. Exceeding the high of the previous when we enter. And support forming at 156, good psychological level. On YouTube, I meant he streams every once in a while. Ah, okay. I found actually another guy who's actually pretty nice to me as well. Champion Pips, I think he's called. Yeah, he does. Let's take a look and listen to him over here. Just trying to give you guys some more. Oh wow, this is cool. I need to get one of these fucking things, man. Oh wow, his is clean. His is clean. Let's take a look.
Do you make your intro thing? You know, your mentorship marketing.
Yeah. Nah. I went on
You
Fiverr.
made it.
No, I went on Fiverr and got that bitch.
I was gonna say, she is really good actually.
Yeah, isn't it? It's sick. The guy did it in literally like fucking 15 minutes as well. He's
For a Fiverr? No,
done.
no way.
No. It's like 35 or 40 quid, but he did it.
Man,
In
that's
15
so
minutes.
good.
Yeah,
That's so good.
it's sick, isn't it? He sent it back to us and he was like, "If you got any like things," and he like misspelt one word and then he just finished it and sent me back in like a minute's time. It was great. Yeah, and then I got like these ones here for like my YouTube. Where is it? Yeah, like this. Like that ones. 4K resolution as well.
Yeah, this one. Oh yeah, that's so nice.
It's cool, isn't it? Oh,
Like
they
the
were
power
only
thing and it
they were only like a
explodes,
fiver or some shit. Where's the day in the life vid? It's getting uploaded today, my boy. Actually is as well, because that's one of my tasks today. So there we go, tap the resistance zone. This is where you should be taking some profit because price could reject at that level and then leave your runner to do the rest, and it could actually be a stinking move today. This is when you can get like a nice 100 pip moves because you're getting in so low. You know, leave a 20% runner on here. If you just break this high later on NY, you're going to come to the next zone. Take a look on the 30 minute. Where is this next zone? Is it going to show me? Oh my god. Oh, there. The next zone is 1828. So there you go. That would be a 100 pip trade if you got in there. Max, chuck that intro stuff as well as into the group on Telegram. I want to put it on a cap. Jeez, what, on a cap? What, like the logo? Okay, wait. Put it on there.
Did you see that Controller's going to be selling like his playbook on like mugs and stuff like that, which I thought was quite cool.
Really? Yeah. Mate,
Yeah, so
fucking...
you're sitting there with your coffee and you got it.
Do you know what I've realised? Every single streamer copied me from the setups thing. Every single one's done it after.
Yeah.
You know, like me, like going on Zoom and drawing them out. I saw Dr. Dollar's done it, Controller's done it. I was like, jeez, man. It's a good idea though, because you can just back it up.
Yeah.
Instead of drawing
to be
it.
fair, I can't believe because Controller.
You used to just draw it every day.
Sorry.
Yeah, you used to draw
I was gonna say,
it.
he's doing it every day, and he obviously got fed up and realised like if he just does it one time and gives it to everyone, he can stop telling everyone all the time.
Yeah.
No, it's definitely nice, like, you know, simple as possible, isn't it? You can visualize it easily.
Yeah, exactly. 12 minutes left for this 30-minute candle. If you get a closure, wicked. If not, it's still in a range, so you just got to play it out. No trying to get in early. It's all down to psychology. So I hope February will be better than January. Yep, I think it will. It has been at the start, which is good. How to control over trading. I think my thing's lagging a bit, guys, so I know before you tell me. How to control over trading. You just gotta stop trading. I literally tell my members that all the time, man. I go through obviously in depth of how you can do it, but the main thing is it's in the question, right? All of your trading worries or whatever is in the question how you solve them. So how to stop, feeling FOMO? Well, stop feeling FOMO. How to stop over trading? Well, just stop over trading. It's actually in the question every single time. Obviously, doing it is a lot harder, but it's gonna come from your discipline. So, also wait for closures. Yeah, I'll pull a logo from it. I like the burst of color. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Yeah, I think people are it's not a hard thing to stop over trading. So, sorry, the actual process of doing it is hard, but the actual what to do isn't a secret. You just got to stop doing it, and it does come from discipline in your other life. So in your other aspects of life. So like for example, like every single day I'll do yoga. I have to do it every single day now. It's a given because it makes you feel good and stuff, and it's actually just so I can stick to something, Because if you can't stick to doing one thing every single day, how can you stop with taking only 3 or 4 trades a day instead of 20? So you got to stick with it. And normally, and I shit you not, when I have a bad time trading, it's because my other parts of life I haven't been disciplined enough. I'm telling you, every single time. So 50-minute coming up, exceeding the highs. 30-minute closing in 10 minutes. That's what I'm waiting for. This will be in the hourly salary play, which will be interesting. What channel do you go? What channel do you do yoga with? I do what thing do I use for yoga? It's the Apple one. It's like their health thing. It's pretty fire, to be fair. It's like 20-minute sessions or 30-minute sessions. I'm pretty good now. Now I can actually touch my toes with my legs straight. I literally couldn't do that ever. So it feels good, man. But yeah, discipline, just making your bed in the morning and shit. I'm sometimes bad at that, but or just eating healthy or just doing something. If you can't do it. If you literally can't stop yourself from not doing it, then you're gonna struggle with trading. It's all about the discipline, man. So there we go. Gold tap the resistance. As I said, you should be taking profit at this area over here because it's support before. What do we know with supports? Supports act as resistances when they come back. So you got to be careful, man. Do you have to be gay to do yoga? Nope. The Aussie boys are gonna come on. Fuck yeah, you do. Can't. Nah, generally did you learn from Controller FX? Not so much Controller. I learned from Controller about buy stops and sell stops, how to use them correctly. But mainly from Ted and Raja. Using Raja's zones, because obviously I was looking at his streams the whole time, and then using Ted about certain hourly time frames, certain things that hourlies do. You know, at the start of hourlies they'll make the bottom wicks. Certain times in the day are better than others. You know, just the kind of just being more aware of things happening was all down to Ted. And then yeah, the zones was Raja. So a bit of everyone. The lines obviously here as well. The far flip, daily flips and stuff came from like trading with Monty. So just kind of like everyone just making it my own a little bit. Yeah, struggling around here, man. People are still in this trade or like trying to hold this shit. It's pissing about. It ain't the best. 1 hour flip bearish again. Yeah, it's just changing. I think gold may retest that low. Looks like it, doesn't it? The hourly's just retested. This is why I said I didn't really like it, because the hourly didn't close bullish. But it still worked out pretty nicely. Would have just tapped a long time ago. Yeah.
Max, I only joined 20 minutes ago. I'm just wondering, what, like, your confidence on that buy above on GJ in terms of like looking to the left. Like, to me, it looks a little bit messy. I'm just wondering. What
yeah, I mean, it looks messy, but I'm looking at like what the candles actually did as a whole for buys. So let's take a look when they came up. So this like didn't come up. This is driving down. So like when candles came up, this flew straight away to the resistance. This one also did it. This one also came to 10 pips. This one also came to 10 pips. This one also came to the high. So every single time it moves up, this one here when it moved up, it did actually come. So in the basis of the buys, it actually moves quite nicely in this area. It's just resistance. I'd be closing a lot.
Would you be stop loss? Okay, and you'd be stop loss to break even at that line of like first resistance.
Yeah,
basically.
yeah. Like
okay.
Yeah, right around there. Yeah, for sure.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, I think that the actual buys when they come in this zone are pretty quick to fill. 500. But yeah, only if you get a closure in 6 minutes time. I need $1 is what I need. Hey, hey. Where is Dr. Dollar? Dr. Dollar is on a stream with someone else, I think. Can rehear everything after 5 seconds. I see you in Controller FX's stream. Oh yeah, Grant is always in controllers. I see him in controllers as well. Um, 5 minutes left. It's still playing around, man. God damn, I need a nice solid closure. Nice solid closure, and it's gonna be looking good. As I said, guys, people who are new here in YouTube, make sure to go and follow the Instagram to be put into a draw for magic keys. If you don't have magic keys yet, make sure to go and follow the Instagram. I'll put the link in the chat. Oh, is my chat working, by the way, now? Oh, yeah, it is. Like, fuck. It didn't do that on Friday, did it? Yeah, it's back working again. Nice. 66 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream if you guys enjoyed it or you haven't been faked out. You're waiting patiently. Make sure to give it a like. Helps me out a lot. But yeah, gold was kind of brought down to the T over here, right at this resistance, taking profit at that area. This is where you gotta take them profits, man. You gotta take them profits. But yeah, the little vlog that I did today is going to come out today at some point, probably like 2 o'clock or so. So yeah. Take a look what this hourly's looking like. Yeah, it's still reasonable. It hasn't exceeded the low of the previous yet as well. And look at that 4 hour, man. 4 hours continuing up. Yeah, people. I was waiting for resistance to form yesterday. Where was it at? Yeah, like sitting around this area. But then I actually left it because of the fact that the 4-hour closed bullish like this. I was like, nah, I'm not taking sells now. Hell no. And you can see why. And you get a 4-hour bullish. It looks like support is forming, and that's what happened. So, my GJ is on some next level shit. So if you did take a trade here, maybe exceeding the high of the previous, what are you gonna do? You know, what lessons have you learned? Just wait for the closure, because the closure is gonna get you the confirmation that you're continuing. Something like that. Then wait for the lower wick, exceed the high, then you got the drive, you got the closure above, stop loss below, easy. Make your life easier, man. Make your life easier. May just trade in this range. We actually do know that, you know, when Asian moves quite a bit, which it kind of did, moved, yeah, like 45, 50 pips. London can be sometimes a bit rangy, but that's fine. Come on, XRP. No, do not stop there. You need to run higher. Play this range hard, yeah. So a great example of yesterday and today, okay? Think about what happened yesterday, right? Rejection from the highs. So people taking impulses here just got their asses clapped. People taking impulses today got their asses clapped. So this is when sometimes, like in January, it happened a lot. I'll hear messages on the chat, Max, why did you not take that impulse? GJ just flew. I go, because I know the probability of these setups are not that high compared to a closure as a whole in the year. So I'd rather just miss the trade, because I know that sometimes it does not work very well. And it's not as if like you can manage it nicely. Like this shit just rockets down. Like, you know, you're not going to be able to manage the trade. So it's a big loss. So 2 examples, 2 days in a row. Screenshot this and go, no impulses at London Open. Just wait for nice closures. The only thing you should potentially think about is maybe trying to get in a bit earlier. I mean, in these areas, but obviously this is like 6 AM, so you couldn't really get it. Yeah, GGP this range, very hard to trade a range. Yeah. So, you know, if you are at the stage and you haven't taken a trade at London session yet on GG, take a look at it. 7 o'clock, this is when you probably started looking. Was there any trades to take? No. It's been ranging. Okay, so you done well. You done well. Ooh, gold's made the low wick. Hasn't exceeded the low of the previous 15 over here. Will a 30-minute close above? We will see. Is Dr. Dollar going to be here? I don't think so. I don't think so. I'll take a look over here. Nope. And what time do you sleep every day? Probably like 11 o'clock sometimes later on. Sometimes very later on if I'm, you know, out and about partying. To be fair, I've actually calmed that down now. But at the start of like the live streams, God, I was out like once every week, but it used to fuck me up. So I'd come out, I'd come home at like 3 AM and I'd be knackered, have the stream at 7. Shit was hardcore, but anyway. Let's take a look at GA because people are asking for it over here. Are you funded with any prop firms? I used funded talent to gain a lot of capital from my live account that I've got now. But apart from that, no, I don't use any. I use my own funds now. Let's take a look at the hourly 30-minute, 15-minute over here. Yeah, I think GA sells below this kind of region. I think later on would be nice. The 50 minutes actually closed below its little minus support here. What is the measurement? 13 pips to the low. Could be reasonable. Let's take a look at the 30. 30 minutes just closed as well. Yeah, that could be nice actually. For me, it's probably this range here is not really the nicest, but I mean, I don't know. Let's take a look at what your stop would be. 9 pips. Could be reasonable. See if that plays out. Is there anywhere to party in Newcastle? Is there anywhere to party in Newcastle? Everywhere to party in Newcastle. God damn. God damn. Party Central, Party Central. I must have some party clips on here, like when I'm out and about. Never really any videos though. Look how low the roofs are on that. That place is sick. That's MSA. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Wait, I've got a better one. Look, this is me. So yeet myself off a fucking thing. Yeet! Yeah, this is me when I was like 16 and shit. Damn. Back in the good old days. Look at that. Look at that. That's when I had abs, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Not anymore. Hell no. I got a rig on me.
Milana, look at that body.
I haven't seen my abs in a good couple years now. Fuck. Maxi boy got the baddies. What's your height? 5'10", 5'10 and a half or some shit. Do you recommend buying a house in Benwell/Fenham, Gateshead for cash flow income? Yes. Satana, great work. Yep, that's probably what I'll be looking for. Brown ale in Newcastle. Yep. Maxi, when you're uploading the video back, teaching us how to slut drop. I'm doing the vlog today. So gay, Max. Oh yes. Oh nah, mate. I need to go cash out my XRP now. Fuck. Shit. 4 hours exceed the low of the previous. No. For how long have you been trading a funded account? How long did I do it for? Like 9 months, 10 months. On funding talent, which is no longer now. Greater London, better area. Me at Geneva. A young Maxi. A young Maxi. How was I then? 139 weeks ago, man. God. Time goes by. Time goes by.
Is that your bird, Maxi?
You what?
Is that your bird, yeah?
Which one? Here. Yeah. Yes. Oh, yes.
Better tie the knot now, mate.
Why the fuck care so much about being gay? Some people in the closet here, mate. That's so true. It actually fucking hurts. Is there anything actually else today at all? Nah, not really. All nice yellow folders. No harm will be done. So damn, man, another rejection on GJ. You know, people trying to take sells here now. You know. What is the issue with taking sells right now? If you took them right now, your stop's gonna have to be 15 pips, and you know your TP first would be like 8. So you know it's like one. It's not even 1-to-1. It's 1-to-half. So pretty shit. A trader who cannot control their emotions is just a gambler. Is this your quote, Max? Yep. Came up with that. Are you a full-time day trader? Yes. I trade now full-time after uni. So I just finished uni in September, and I've been full-time ever since. And I did maths at uni. So, yeah. Yeah, looks like he's really respecting that rejection over here. Didn't close above. So 8:35, still a lot of time, but for me, there's nothing much yet. Gotta chill. That's reasonable. It gave me nice moves later on actually yesterday, so maybe again at 9:30, 9:15 there may be some moves potentially. But yeah, pretty slow, man. I mean, it's because Asian was pretty nice, so I gotta chill. Do you try something called FlixPress for your entry videos? It's so easy, a kid could make them. Oh wow. Nah, I just use Fiverr to get mine, to be honest. Do you feel less pressure trading your own capital versus prop firms? Fuck yes. Might do something around 4 AM in GJ like we did yesterday. Yeah, exactly. Is FTMO good to get funded? You know, the funded things, you know, I can't really say much about them because, you know, I'm not with them anymore. But like, you know, they're good. You know, they can be good. But you know, the probabilities are stacked against you, and also you've got a lot more pressure than someone trading just their own account. So, but if you can do it, then wicked. But it is harder than you think if you've never done one before. Omar, so how are you full-time trader and you just said you took 3 trades this month? Like, how did you make profit? No, well, it's February, my man. And three trades this month on this session. I also trade NY. So it's NY as well, my brother. NY is private with the gang, so yeah. Coming up exceeding the high the previous 15-minute over here. Nice. And the previous 30-minute. Interesting to see if it continues. How did your 5 experience work out? Very, very good, man. 5 is sick. I've used it numerous times. Pretty good. Can you share your experience trading with prop firms? Yeah, I mean, Fun and Talent was good because you got bi-weekly payouts. It wasn't just like doing something for nothing. Like I was getting paid straight away, which is pretty nice. But obviously they've stopped that now because they got done for like being in Canada. Ooh, nice little breakup on gold. How much percentage a month were you averaging on Fun and Talent? It ranged from like 16 to like 32, 35. What hours are best to trade NY session? Probably say 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, probably the best. Wow, loads of questions today. Holy shit. Let's take a look at Telegram as well, just in case some people put some charts in today. Ooh, quite a lot of charts. Nice, Flocky, my boy. Entry on the top of the wick, confirmation, TP 10 pips. Looks pretty reasonable. For sure. Very, very nice. That was good work. I know Tom got in here. What time was that at? You got up early. That's 6 o'clock, yeah. Tom was up early this morning. Damn, he's eating well. Let's take a look. Gold is about to hit TP2. Yeah, beautiful as well. And you know, if you're getting like down here, you're gonna be eating nicely now. Oh yes. Which trade is live to trade to take? There's no trades right now. There's no trades yet. We are waiting. I just passed 100k challenge, but I feel a lot of pressure. Yep, exactly. Exactly. It's only the 8th of the month as well. You don't need to make a million trades. Yeah, exactly. Well, no, I've only taken 3 trades on this stream, but you know, I do NY session. So NY, you know, probably one more trade. So yeah, we'll see. So now GJ is looking like a supermarket barcode over here. So I am chilling. I am backing off. Price action is not the nicest, so I don't want to get hit pretty badly over here. Does stop loss matter? No, it doesn't for you, my boy. No stop loss for you. Stop loss is for pussies. 0 stop loss. If you had to choose between trading GJ in London or gold in New York session only, ooh, that's a good question. Gold in New York, I'd probably say right now. Zero stop loss, 0 regrets. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Let your margin call stop you out. You don't have to do it yourself. Do you use a trading journal? Yes, I actually used it. Let's take a look and go back on it because I haven't been on it in a while. Let's take a look at the trading journal. For some reason, people keep on. Fuck off. People actually went on the trading journal and started changing things around, which is a bit annoying. But let's just take a look over here. So yeah, go on my link trees, guys. Got Magic Keys link. Got the Discord server, the free one. To put in your charts. We've got the recommended broker. Make sure you look at that. IC markets, shit's fire. But yeah, this was the trade. I did it for a while and then it couldn't be asked because it takes so long. No, I'm fucking stop loss matters, bro. I don't know. I can't log in. I can't be asked. But anyway, yeah, I did it on Trello. Trello was pretty good for it. I liked it. It worked out nicely. It's quite like unique. You can do a lot of stuff. I mean, you could use like is it called Notability? No, Notion. Notion's really good as well. Loads of different ones. I only trade NAS 100. How is it, bro? Oh, you're actually being serious. You're saying stop loss doesn't matter. Oh shit. Well, okay. Maybe for you it doesn't matter. Fair enough. Oh, beautiful, Floxy, man. That was nice. So, look what we've done now. We flipped the daily, just like we expected. So, really good example today of, sticking with the higher time frames on gold. It's bullish at the moment. There's no bearish candles in sight, really, apart from this one down there. This is just the low wick being formed. So, you either get the sells, right around this time here at 7 AM. But when you come into potential zones where price rejected before, there's a good chance it can make support, and then it will follow the higher time frame. Who the fuck said that in the gulag? Lol, what? Some people don't like stop losses. It says it hinders them. He's joking. Do you think NY has clearer moves to GJ? It really depends on the session, man. Really depends. Sometimes it's great moves on GJ, like yesterday. Yesterday London was there. NY, nothing much really. Sometimes both are really good. You can publish your trade private and you can use it as a trading journal. Yeah. Which pairs do you trade in NY? NY, I trade gold and GJ, exactly the same as what I do here. GA every so often, but sometimes it's pretty garbage, to be honest. So, and the spread's pretty ass on it. Mainly GJ and gold, 'cause that's what I learned from. So why not just keep it? Because it works pretty well. If you've got so many charts up, you're not going to be mastering them. You need to master it. You need to know exactly what it's doing. That's what you gotta do. London session better than NY with deep liquidity on stock market. Yeah. I see this stream reaching 1K views by the end of the year. Wow, that would be amazing, wouldn't it? That would be pretty fire.
Charts look good.
Charts look fucking gorgeous.
Fucking joke.
I'm just wanting XRP to run, boy. Oh, retreat's quite hard there. Now I need to push back up. Come on, boy.
Damn, I'm too scared to leave my computer.
Yeah, I'd give it.
Oh. GJ barcode.
Yeah.
Currently at the supermarket.
Yeah. Like a supermarket. Just scan that, and you'll scan some fucking groceries.
Bloody ridiculous.
It is
It's
pretty
crazy. Eh? The current 1 hour hasn't broken the low or the high.
Yeah, it's just chilling, isn't it? Really indecisive.
Probably because it ran in Asian.
Yeah.
You know, you always say that, Max.
Exactly. Yep. Oh yes. Maybe that is it. I wish I took that gold
Yeah.
one here. Fuck.
That is usually how I get fucked in Asian, eh?
Thank you very much for subscribing, Nessa. What price did you get in XRP? Well, I've got a lot of XRP now because I actually offer that for people who want to come to the mentorship. So people can pay through crypto for the mentorship. But my first time buying XRP was in 2018. Let's take a look where that was over here. There. Yeah, I think it was like, was it like, yeah. I think it was before that peak. It was like here. Yeah, December 18. There. And then, me being a fucking retard, sent half of them to the wrong address and I lost it. So that was great. Yeah, I got in at 028. Nice. So when that shit rallied to like here, damn, I would have been balls deep in some money. Ooh, hope he took some profits there. Or at least had it to break even for sure. I always aim to get 20 pips a day, but if the market didn't give me a permission, I don't trade. What's your daily pip target? Nice. I have no daily pip target at all. I just see what's there, you know. Maybe one trade 10 pips, maybe two trades 20 pips each, maybe, you know, whatever the zones are telling me, whatever price is guiding me, that's what I'll be looking for. So like yesterday when we took these trades yesterday, you know, I was taking, you know, 80% off for like 12, 13, 14 pips in this area, just right at the support, and then I left the rest to the 30 pip wick fill there at 470. So yeah. Geo about to flip the daily, and if it closes on that resistance level on the 30-minute, there is room for a 10 pip drive until next major resistance. After that zone, there is bigger no traffic zones. Okay, let's take a look. Daily's flipping, so let's take a look what the daily looks like now. Yeah, it looks like it's making some support. The only issue I have is that the 4 hour is at naff. Look at the 4 hour. I think buys above this region later on are going to be a bit better. I think this zone, even though it's 10 pips to here, I think that's what you mean. The 4 hour rejections here are just nasty, man. That would scare the living shit out of me to get in. Whereas if you just wait for this candle to close in an hour's time, and hopefully it closes like that, then the next NY session you're probably going to get a nice drive up, which would be much easier. So your TP in the trade is 10 pips and not less than that. Yep. Sometimes I'll hold on to 20 pips. It just depends on how big the zones are. Normally sells run a lot nicer, so sells I normally leave a bit more on, whereas buys are normally slow as shit, and I normally just get my 10 or 12 pips out straight away. The gang is here: Safa, Dude, Crocodile, Findy, and Posh Alex. How long were you trading before you became profitable? Well, I started when I was 16, and I was profitable when I was maybe 18 and a half. So like 2.5 years, maybe 19, something like that. Yeah. $84 likes, beautiful. Let's try to get 100 likes in the stream. We only need a couple more to go over here. Make sure to like the stream. Oh, I saw this question, and I don't know if I'm being retarded, right? Someone tell me if I'm being stupid here. What's his name? He's probably on here somewhere. He fucking posts every 2 seconds. Maybe he's not. Maybe he's not. Nah, he's not. There's some like riddle, and I thought I did it right, but I didn't know if I actually did it right or not. He is not profitable selling his course. That's it. Wackass came here before. He's fucking whack. Wackass was like, those cells are so bad. I was like, yes, they are so bad. That's why they worked. So, 7 minutes left for this 30. We'll see. If we get the closure over here. What's Milan's IG? Oh, everyone's wanting your IG, Milan. Hi Max, when you're profitable doesn't mean that you can live with the money you're earning from trading only. Yep. I'm the Saf in the membership. I want to jump on XMP subject you mentioned and your losses in transaction. Let me know when is it time. Yes. We'll have to see in the next couple of days again. Because that was a nice move up, man. So hourly close in 6 minutes time. Hasn't moved at all. Hasn't exceeded the low or the high. Showing indecision. Indecision. So I'll give it an extra 15 minutes. If it doesn't do anything from then I'll probably leave it over here and start an NY session. If you guys do want to join us on the mentorship, you get the NY session, you get weekly webinars, weekly simulations, and access to the Zoom. So I'll send that link in over here. And you get access to
all my social media.
Oh yeah, you don't have social media, isn't it? That was it.
Yeah, I raise all my social media. I'm just looking for GU now for buy.
You think that's clean? Not here.
Yeah, it's alright for a break even.
Fair. Fair dues. 4 hours, got an hour left. It'd be interesting to see where this closes. If it closes below this area, then it is really respecting it. Hacker Milan is in the house too. Oh yeah. So I'll see if this where this hourly closes. If not, then yeah, I may just leave it over here. That is what I'll do now. Yeah, champion pips. Oh, looks like he took a trade here.
To be honest, but
oh, that was the nice 8 o'clock one.
I can't get impatient.
That was a nice trade. He got in right at the right time as well.
Perfect. Oh, it's pushing up now. Yeah, it's definitely gonna hit the take profit here soon.
Oh, did he hit break even as well? Yeah, he did.
Stop showing me this. I don't.
Yeah,
want
Alex.
to
No, Alex. Not Alex.
Nah,
it happened the same as him. I'm pretty sure.
It hurts. It hurts. I mean, to be fair, it came back after that, and it would have tapped everyone out, and then it went off and rocketed, didn't it? So,
Yeah.
Taking buys on GG.
And it hit like 15 pips as well.
What's your age now? I'm 21. 21? 50-minute coming back over here, making some support at the right at the 4-hour flip level. Damn. Do 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 do. Before you taking trade, must be candle form liquidity crab. Ah, yes. Yes, yes, yes. For me, if it doesn't close above, then yeah, gotta wait for another 15. If that doesn't, then I'm gonna leave it. Doo -doo. Do, 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 do. Ooh, 3 minutes time. Maybe getting a closure. Maybe. Get off that zone, my boy. Get up, get up, get up. So if you got like here, where would the stop be? 14 pips. Okay, not bad, not bad. 13 on the low. We shall see. So there's been really good examples of just waiting for the closures here. A lot of wicks that looked like they were going to run off, but they did not. And that is the difference. They did not run off. So yeah. But yeah, I'll probably do the Magic Keys giveaway next Friday. Oh, I won't be here next Friday. I am in Poland next Wednesday, I think. Max, is Fiverr easy to use? Yep. You just go on and ask what you want and find like they do like examples and stuff, and yeah, pretty easy. Oh no, Flocky. I'm pretty sure I did.
When I was paying, there was no information about it.
Yeah, well, my Trust wallet for my XRP doesn't need a destination link. That's why I left it. It just says there isn't one. So it came to my wallet.
No, my funds came because I did place that tag number, but for the others, you know, for the people who doesn't know.
So what number did you place on it?
That chatbot sent me like a QR code, and when you enter that link, there is a number for that transaction, because every transaction is reserved for like 2 hours.
Yeah.
And after that reservation expires, probably you need to like.
Yeah.
If they don't put that code, that transaction can be lost, and their XRP will just vanish, and you won't receive any.
Shit. Okay.
That's what I was trying to say.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try and sort that out. For sure.
So maybe just put an extra information on that bot for people to pay attention on that tag number.
Yeah. True. I'll sort that out. Thank you very much, my boy.
You're welcome.
Did your parents support for this gambling? Nope. Oh, we didn't close above. No! Hourly didn't close above. Hourly looks good though to continue, but yeah, it's a bit of a shame. We'll see this lower wick over here. GG grabbing all the fib traders low. Yep. I mean, if this candle makes a lower wick here for me, that's reasonable, and exceeds the high, I may potentially go for that. We'll see. 'cause I think I may miss this now. We'll see, we'll see. Let's see about the low wick. GU buy, someone's saying. Let's take a look. Okay, fair enough. For me, it's just this zone's just too small. Majority of traders only trade GJ and gold for day trading. Yep, because that's probably who we've learnt from. So it's the start of the hourly. We know hourly's like making nice low wicks, so that's reasonable as well.
Yeah, so now Maxi, so it's either that 4 hour now could be blasting off, or it could be rejecting that area because we've been there like 3 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the same, because the 4 hour closes in 1 hour, and usually it either, as you said, flies or it comes and retraces a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like taps that resistance area.
Yeah. Yeah, it's mad. To see where that 4 hour closes. Look, Euro USD. Let's take a look at Euro USD over here. Euro USD daily bearish, 4 hour bearish, hourly bullish. Nice. So it looks like it's bearish overall. What you'd probably wait for is closures below there. Take a look to the left hand side. Where would you potentially continue down? Well, where this 50-minute would make support, which is here. Now take a look if there's enough room. 7 pips, not a lot, so not too nice. Or you're gonna wait for potentially price to continue back up to a certain level, maybe here, then find some resistance at this level and then drive it back down. Pretty simple. Very, very easy to mark up a chart when you've done it 500 trillion times. 3 likes till 100 likes. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Takes 2 seconds. Blast the like button.
I'll go like it for you.
Yes, my boy.
You're welcome.
I fucking like it myself as well. Wow, look at that. GJ playing with people's heart again. And look, we didn't have to because we were patient, disciplined, and weren't getting fucked up. So now it's made the low wick. If it does exceed this high, fair enough, could go over here, but for me it's just not moving the way I want it to, so I'm gonna back off and call it a session, I think. We haven't closed above, and if it wants to run, fine, but for me it looks like it's still coming back in this zone over here. So, you know, it's interesting because a lot of people would have got tapped here, tapped here, tapped here. Please, if you're, you know, looking at GJ a lot and, you know, you took loads of impulses through January because January was full of them, this is not what normally life is like. This is why January was so hard for me, because there was nothing there. Take pictures of these. Rejections everywhere. Wait for the closures above. There's no confirmation it's closed above yet, okay? So you got to be patient with that. Yes, you'll miss some moves, but for the most part you won't get hit. So if you got in on that high, you'd have had a 12 pip drawdown now. 30-minute looking like it's good to continue and flip, but I may just paper trade this over here. 10 minutes left at the 15. Does it have enough chance? If you're going to exceed the high, where would you stop be? 12 pips. Oh, it could be quite reasonable, but I've just preached about waiting for closures, so. I don't take GJ at all, but gold. Ah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, looks like GJ gold's, it closed right on support, did it? Or a little bit lower? A little bit lower. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah. It's kind of hard. It's struggling to get back above that zone. Hourly's got 54 minutes left though, so could just be making the low wick to then continue. Yeah, this hourly looks reasonable as well with the wicks to the downside, but for me it's just moving very, very slowly in this area. Take a small position for this stream. Nope. I'm waiting for closure. Follow supply and demand and trading will be more clear, yes. I think we have entered a range. This is kind of price action that sets up for pre-NYC volume. Yeah, very, very true. Do, 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 do.
Max, who said he must take a small position?
He's wanting the thrill of it.
Oh my word. You fuck up your psychology, man.
Someone goes, why are you selling signals if you are a full-time trader? Ah, yes, I want to limit myself to not doing that. The whole part of the mentorship is not actually selling the signals. I'm not really asked about that. It's teaching people how to trade. The signals is just an extra part. So suck my dick. Oh no, extra income. I love that, Joey. That's fucking hilarious.
Man, we're like, why? It's just like one message sent to a group and you make X amount more money. I mean, obviously, you don't just do signals, do you?
Yeah,
you
exactly.
do way more content.
Yeah.
Do you do like copy trader thingy, whatever you call it? Not copy trader. Is it PAM? Where people like can copy.
Yeah,
your
I've
trade.
seen that.
You just like put money in.
I've seen that, and you can put like the commission on. I might try that, but the thing is, I try to look at that on IC Markets, but I couldn't find one that I like. The only one like I could saw was Dominican, but I'm not using. I'm not using his spreads.
Yeah, it's pretty bad, isn't it? But the commission, you can put whatever you want.
Yeah, no, that's
like
sick.
35% per day. It's so good. Yeah, I actually got stung on that because I put my money in one on like the good month, and then obviously the next month was terrible, and the commission was pretty reasonable. It was like 20% a week. I can't remember what it was. And then I looked back like a few weeks later, and they put it up to 35% a day commission.
Yeah, they keep on adding it up. It was just nicking your money. Yeah, it's a bit silly they can do that.
Yeah, and then they just literally like stopped doing it, and I just lost my money. I was like, oh, thank God. I only put like 70 quid on it, but
yeah, like that's not Dominion, yeah, Dominican or whatever. I want to see Dominion. That's it. Where did he come with that name? What does Dominion mean? I'm fucking shit at English. Dominion, like I'm trying to think of like what it stands for.
Don't know. Dominant? I have no idea. Dominion.
Dominion. I do not know. Yeah, I want to take a look at this leaderboard, showing people something about this leaderboard over here. Let me go find one. Confirm. Oh fucking hell! How many are there? So what's it called? It's called the Where the fuck is it? It's like
Do you want to show your screen and I can help, or is it like have you got sensitive info on it?
No, it should be alright. Just a random one. I don't even have anything on it. So do you go to?
So on they moved it. Oh, PAMM. PAM.
Yeah, PAM. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So let's take a look over here.
And then you go on leaderboard at the top.
Here. 1 second. Oh yeah, there. Wicked. Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? 2000% max drawdown 16%. Wait, let's take a look. So I'm hoping they have like
one trade.
So when did he start? Oh, I actually did it in November. Oh my god, it literally is one trade. Damn, my guy's just made 2,000. He's chilling. He's chilling for the rest of the year. Yeah, so like, let's take a look. I want to look like a good one. Show filters.
Yeah, if you go on like the steady growth ones, they're usually around the middle of the leaderboard.
Yeah, let's take a look. So last 9 days. The max drawdown ones are the ones that I'm looking at. Like max drawdown, is that like daily drawdown? Yeah, daily drawdown. I don't want fucking 23%. It's like something like that. This looks alright. Let's take a look over here. So all times we started 7th of Jan. Let's just feel for fucking. Oh no wait, 7th of Jan's alright. Yeah. So.
No, that could have just been his deposit. So take it from where it starts moving.
Oh yeah.
So like end of Jan. Yeah. So it's been like a month.
So look at that, average gains every single day. There's a little bit of a dint at February the 3rd, but came all the way back up. That's all right. That's continuation. I mean, there's not a big track record, and it looks like the only thing to me that would be a bit cautious, right? Is someone tell me what's the one thing that's just a bit wrong with this chart. Someone tell me. If you can see.
What that one day where it just drops down, like
yeah. So but what actually happens in this? Think about the day. So the day, right, dropped down. He was up 11%, and it went down to 7. So
then he got it straight.
Then he got it straight. Then he got it straight back up. And can you see? Yeah. Can you see the actual growth? When he wins, is actually quite small, and for some reason on this day he's jumped up loads. Is that because he's doubled his risk to try and make it back, and just luckily this time it's worked out? You know what I mean? That jump here for me suggests, and you know what I mean. If that one trade there went a bit tits up, then this would be looking like that now because it's double risk. You know what I mean? So that's the one thing you got to look at for stuff like that.
If you scroll down a sec, it tells you the commissions as well. So 10%. Is it 10%?
Yeah. That's not bad, is it?
But how often does it say? Oh, every month.
Every month.
Oh my god.
Does that mean how much money you make on it, or 10% of your account?
How much you give them?
Okay, yeah.
So you give them 10% per month, which is really good.
Fucking hell! So if you had like 10,000 people on there, that's fucking bank. I might do that shit. But yeah, that was interesting though with that equity curve. Yeah, just the way it jumped up so quick after, bigger than any other jump it's had before, suggests that he's probably put maybe a bit bigger lot size on that trade to make it back. This one is better. Dominion market spot where that link's not working over here. That's when he prayed in 8 mangoes, yeah. Hi Max, what are your thoughts on gold? Potentially retest to continue down if this 30-minute closing engulfing, though the 1 hour daily are bullish, which is currently a turn off. Yeah, I think now, it's starting to come back below, but yeah, the hourly's against it. For me, I'd probably just wait until later on. I'd wait until later on because yeah, you don't have the hourly. Sorry, is the second hourly here? 1 second. Yeah, you don't have the hourly with you now, and the main structure of gold is bullish. So I think that was the main drop down here. I wouldn't really play with him yet. It's also 9:15, not the best volume, is it? Looks like GJ is closing doji on the 15. 30 minutes still open. Still no closure above. Does anyone know why are my messages not showing on the stream? If it's a link, it probably doesn't work. The trader's name is all in. Is that what it was? Dr. Dollar has been in drawdown for 2 hours on GJ. Oof. Is he looking for buys? Looking for buys over here. Oh my god. Milan is on some next level shit right now. Ooh, 50 minute exceeding the high over here. Nice. For me, though, it hasn't closed. I mean, it looks good, but I'm preaching the closure here today. If you got in on the 30-minute high, 11 pips stop.
That's a nice week for GG.
It looks nice.
I know it does, man.
That's a nice week. Nice push. Below the zone, that's the main issue.
The important thing is that we say it's going up and it goes up.
Yeah, I would take that. I would take that for people. It's really because I've just said closures, but I think that looks reasonable.
We should enter, but below the zone.
Is it not too late now? I mean, the salary's already happened.
Nah, I think it's okay. See if I can continue over here. 13 minutes left. Has it got enough juice?
No.
Has it got enough juice? We will see. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this closure. If not, it's 9:15 to be honest. I may leave it over here.
Yeah, it could go off, but a closure would just be better. I agree with you, Max. But
stop would be like 12 pips on the 30. Let's see.
and there she
Same
goes.
thing happened earlier on. It faked out. Yeah, man, that's the only issue here. You do have the hourly backing when you did, now you've got the 30 minutes rejecting the lows again, so I think it should still continue, but yeah, it's just your discipline of like what happened before. It's probably best to just maybe paper trade it, you know? You can always paper trade it. Paper trade. Let's wait for the 5-minute closure. Someone's
I was about to say,
5-minute
look at 5 minutes. Yeah.
I enter a GU, but only one lot.
What, just right now?
I got TP. Oh no, I got TP already.
Okay, nice. On the flip, yeah. Nice, very nice.
Yeah, but only one lot, just papering.
Yeah. GJ gonna continue over here. Take a look what the hourly's done. Yeah.
It's a trap.
We will see if it can continue. Come on, GJ, push for the gang. So how would you manage risk if you got in on the 30? I mean, the closure's in 11 minutes time, so should be okay. We'll see. Take a look to the left. You know where you're gonna want stops to break even at this next resistance, at least 328. I think that'll be reasonable. We'll see. Well, to be fair, if London don't show volume, usually it comes later, but I'm not taking it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see later on if it does continue. If not, I'll be all about where this 4-hour closes, you know. If it closes above, wicked. If it doesn't, oof, may struggle. $30 looking good now. Just needs a little push off. Needs a little push off over here.
On the 5 minute, you could have managed risk at, is it 160 at that support level, maybe?
Yeah, like 167. Very, very true. God, it's taking its time though. Holy shit. The people in this are like, God damn. Are you not worried about buying into the 4-hour wick on the left? I think it should fill the zone up, but yeah, it is struggling. That's why I'm not really going to take it. I'm just going to chill over here. Come on, do it for the gram. Do it for the YouTube squad. Trying to get in. 5 minutes closed above. Nice. So you could potentially just, you know, if you want it to push over here, you could just use the 5-minute stops. If it doesn't want to do that, then tough shit for it, isn't it? You've given it an opportunity. Yeah, you could put it under the 5 minutes if you're a bit worried about this having a bigger stop. Been in this for 2 hours. Oh my god, Alex been holding this trade for 2 hours. Damn, boy. That's mad. Hopefully it plays out for you right now. Come on, flip that 5. I've got the 5 o'clock. Sorry, the 5 minute time frame. Exceed that high, and you should get a nice little drive. Buys always take the stairs and sells jump out the window. Yeah, man. Buys are just not a vibe. Buys as a whole are just garbage. Sells are so much nicer. Sells are delicious. Yeah, gold just chilling around over here. I do think buys later on are going to be nice. And yeah, beautiful. Looks like it's chilling. Let's take a look at this this 5 minute candle. If it closes bearish again, then yeah, it's not going to be looking too good. It's not doing what it needs to do, boy. Volume on gold is ridiculously low today. At London Open, it's been alright. No, it hasn't been ridiculously low. It's been okay. What do you think about sells on gold? It's just the wrong time to do it now. 9:20, 9:30, just a bit shit. Yeah. Normally, if you go back test it, the zones in that area are normally quite rangy and slow volume. So you got to wait until, you know, pre-New York, then the volume kicks in again. Come on, do it for the gram. Do it for the gram. Do it for everyone in this trade. So yeah, you'd probably have, you get in there, you'd have stop loss below, and then you'd manage risk there. That's what you wanted to do. You want to get in. So that means if you take the 50%, that's at 8 pips, and the rest at 12. So yeah, you're going to take a 10 pip loss on the trade if you did that.
I was just about to be so cheeky.
Yeah.
I didn't do it, but I was basically expecting the 5 minute to retest.
Oh yeah.
Like go back to the 5 minute.
Wait.
And so that little tap down to that white line,
Yeah.
I was just about to sniper the fuck out of that. But I held myself
Sniper
back.
entries.
I feel like it's going to come down to, where is it? It's
Yeah.
220 anyway.
Yeah, it's
The fact that you held yourself back is a win, Alex, my man. That's
Yeah.
Thank you.
man.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, I
Yeah,
see
at the end of the
it.
day, it's a
You know, we
bad
can-
win if I get it.
Yeah.
So
It's a bad 90% because even me, like, I'm also thinking at times, you know, like, I think I mentioned it before, like the days where I'm at work and then fucking volume is booming, like the day I'm off. Yesterday I was off, and okay, yesterday I got the trade down, GJ, but today volume is like shit. So tomorrow I'm back at work and then fuck, volume is booming again. So
Booming again.
yeah, it fucks with your psychology so now and then, but it also it instills some great discipline at the same time. And so in a case like this, like I told myself, even if I should miss it, the move will be shit. It's a shit move, you know, no closure above.
Yeah.
I will just chill, you know. And
Yeah.
at the end of the day, we are protecting our capital, you know. So hence why I'm saying that is a win, because you didn't take a loss. So, and the way we can see our price is moving at this level, fuck, Bruce, you can reject at any time.
Yeah.
And the fact that it's a 4-hour level, you know, she could go, yes, but she could also fucking just reject, you know, as she's
Yeah,
been
exactly.
fighting for the past 3 hours.
yeah, I might be happy if I get the win, but I'll be so pissed off if I got a loss, knowing that I hadn't stuck to my setups, you know.
Exactly. That's what you gotta think, man.
Yeah.
That's what you
I
gotta
think
think.
the thing is that it was almost one of my setups, and then I was trying to see, oh yeah, how can I still get the entry? But that's just impulsive almost.
Yeah,
like
I mean,
even though I can give logic to explain why, it's just not one of my setups. So
yeah, exactly. And like the 5-minute over here is just closed Doge. Yeah, it's just playing around now.
what was the thing the other day? The candies. I know the candies are available at the store, but I don't want to eat this one. I'm not ready to eat it.
Yeah, don't eat this one. This one's playing. Some people have been in this trade for fucking 2 hours. Holy shit. I'd be bored of that crap.
This is like that green toxic slime shit you used to eat when you're younger. You remember sweets?
Yeah. Shit, I don't want that candy, bro.
Did you used to have that back in school days?
Yeah.
Or am I? Yeah.
What other things do you have? Like, winders. I used to like winders. At school.
My sister's got some in the cupboard. Didn't realise they still existed. Oh my God. I had a wagon wheel the other day as well. That was so good.
Wagon wheel, nice. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it off over here now. If you're in GJ, good luck. I think maybe now, give it the room, but I'd have you stop below this 5 minute. It shouldn't come back in that zone now, and that means if you're in like here, you've got a beautiful like 2-pip stop. So, yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. It's been a wicked session. Make sure to like the stream before you go, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Really good showing you, price action in potential area. It can be hard, so chill, wait for the closures. If no closures happen, then there's no trades to be taken. We broke down gold to the T, waiting for support to form, coming back to an area of resistance. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. Make sure to subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Peace out. See you later, guys. See you later, Zoom. Thank you very much. Peace out. See you later,
mate.
alligator.
Cheers.
See you later. Oh my god, why does it have to do this 3 times every time? There we go. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much, man. Peace out.